Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Apex Legends not launching from your Steam. So the first thing that you'll want to do is to make sure that you have verified the files of your game. So after clicking on properties, installed files, you have the verify integrity of game files. This will basically check all of the installed files. If there's missing, corrupted and outdated files on it, it will then try to replace it with a fixed one, and just click on it and see if that works. The next thing that you want to do, that's basically inside Steam, is to navigate through properties, and in here you have your general settings and launch option. Just make sure that you go ahead and launch the game at 10 ATP. So it's going to be this specific launch code right here. I've searched it up just to make sure. -W space 1920 space dash H, basically the width and height, 1080p. Click close, and then after opening up the application, it will open as 1080p, which basically supports most computers out there. You then want to try to navigate through properties, click installed files, click browse. In here you then want to look for the Apex launcher.exe, right click on it, once again click properties, compatibility, and simply make sure that you run the program as compatibility mode for Windows 8. You want to make sure that the disable full screen optimization is turned off and run this program as administrator is turned on. Click apply, click OK, launch your Apex, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.